How to use GoDaddy Website Builder SEO tool. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the SEO tool implemented into the GoDaddy account or the GoDaddy Website Builder. So it is going to help you out to set up the website for the search engines and also optimize it. So you're going to rank a little bit up or upper or higher than the competitors, depending on the keywords that you're going to use or the niche. We're going to head over GoDaddy.com, head over the account and select the products or my product like that. Now we're going to select the website that we want to implement the SEO settings for. For example, I can go ahead and use maybe this one. I'm going to wait for the dashboard of the website to appear. And we are going to basically have all of the settings up. Now, what are we going to do is to see that we have a lot of, as you can see here, let's say parameters. So we are going to head over the left side of the screen and we are going to choose marketing. We have an extended menu. We're going to choose from the elements SEO. Once you have chosen SEO, you're going to see the page specific for the SEO tool. And from here, we can begin our SEO, let's say here, optimization. So we're going to have this as a premium tool. As you can see, you're going to be, let's say here, privileged with getting the spotlight with the SEO tool. You can go ahead and have the premium plan, and then you're going to work with it. For our case, we do not have our premium plan. We have only the free plan. So you need to get at least a premium plan, and from there, you can go ahead and set up the website. How you can go ahead and set it up? Basically, you are going to put a title or the type of the website that you are going to run, some, let's say, keywords or descriptions that is going to be dependent from you. And from there, you're going to have the URLs, the slugs, and also the description of the SEO, let's say, of the page. And as you can see in here, it is going to take normally the rank of your website from the bottom to the top. Not the top, but it is going to be from the first searches. And it is not going to be disqualified to the second, third, and till the 10th pages. Now, let me demonstrate for you some images on how things are going to work if it was on the premium plan. Basically, you're going to have here the selection for the customers. Either they are going to be local or national or nationwide. You can have here, for example, the optimization for the homepage, for the products or services that you have into them. So you're going to select the best description for, or the primary description for your page. You're going to have the primary one and also the secondary one. So as you can see, we are going to have here also the here's what they found. For example, the category or the keywords that are going well to the specific, as you can see here, um, page. And also, we're going to have the page title, so you can choose one of the suggested page title, and you're going to find the resembling or the preview for the search engines. Now, you can go ahead and write a description, and it is going to see if it is going to be good or not for the specific keyword, primary and also secondary keyword. You're going to find it on the search or Google search like that. And this is it. Principally, it is going to be that simple. Aside from that, everything is going to be very easy. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.